Hello, this is Tux. Today I'll be teaching you a banana raisin cake recipe, or what you call banana fruit cake. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. The ingredients used in this recipe include banana, raisins, egg, oil, sugar. I'll be using a mix of both white and brown sugar, buttermilk, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and a bit of nutmeg. The exact measurement of each ingredient is displayed on the screen and will be included in the video description, so ensure you check it out. So the first thing you do is to soak your raisins in warm water for about 15 minutes before use. As for your banana, you can either mash it with a fork, a pestle, or you use the pulse function of your blender. Once my mashed banana is ready, I proceeded by adding in the eggs, sugar, oil, nutmeg, buttermilk, flour. Ensure you mix in each ingredient as you add. Other flavor you can use in your banana cake include cinnamon and vanilla flavor. To all my banana fans and lovers out there, this recipe is a must try. Ensure you give it a try. I assure you, you would enjoy it. A big shout out to one of my baker friends in Nigeria, Belle Bakes. She makes the best banana cakes in Ibadan, and she also delivers to Lagos. She has them in different flavor, so you can reach out to her on Instagram to place an order. Here in Germany, sometimes I get asked, how do I recognize or identify baking soda when I go shopping? Well, for those that have difficulty recognizing baking soda, this is how it looks like. The packaging is usually green, irrespective of the store you go to, and it has on it natural. This actually has baking soda written at the top corner, but some don't have. You just see the name natural. And the last ingredient you add in is your raisins. You can save some as toppings. And now that everything is set, I'm going to just grease my pan, line the bottom with some baking paper. You can also use parchment paper, and pour in my butter. And here I'm going to sprinkle the rest of my raisins on it, and you bake for about 40 to 50 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And ensure you keep your eye on your oven, because oven varies. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Tux. On this channel, I upload yummy meal recipes, yummy desserts, edit drinks, travel vlogs, career talk, and some other lifestyle vlogs. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. The most amazing thing about this cake was everyone that had a taste had something nice to say about it. So I had nice review all along. So let me know in the comment section what you think after trial, and if you would love to see other flavors. That will be all for today. See you some other time.